good day. Live from the Presidential Palace here at Barupite, Delhi, where the official state visit of the President of the Senate of the Kingdom of Cambodia is currently taking place. The Cambodian delegation arrived earlier this morning and was warmly welcomed by His Excellency the President of the Republic, José Ramos Horta, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs, as well as some diplomatic members. As part of the welcome ceremony, the President of the Senate walked the red carpet, accompanied by Timor Leste ceremonial military guards, a gesture reflecting the respect and strong diplomatic ties between the two countries. The closed-door meeting was held between the President of the Senate of the Kingdom of Cambodia, as well as with the President of the Republic of Timor Leste, aimed at deepening regional cooperation and strengthening bilateral relations. This visit marks an important step in advancing mutual interest and fostering long-term collaborations.
Excellency President, first of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks and appreciation to you for the warm hospitality and greetings to me and my delegation during the official visit to the Democratic Republic of Timor Leste. Since my first official visit to Timor Leste, this visit is a testament. I witnessed the great progress made by Timor Leste. Per capita was 281, but Timor Leste GDP per capita in 2024, according to the figure I got, is 1,453. There's a different gap between the two. So the Timor Leste's GDP per capita and human resource capacity warrant its ASEAN full membership. I hope that Timor Leste will soon become ASEAN full member with the strong support of other ASEAN member states. I would like to inform the press that we had just now an in-depth discussion between me and Excellency President about our bilateral relations. We are very satisfied with our bilateral relations, rooted in our trust and friendship, I must add. And we also, in addition to our discussion on our bilateral relation, we also discuss regional and international issues that we pay close attention to.
I very much welcome His Excellency Hun Sen to visit us in Timor Leste. Hun Sen is the liberator and the founder of modern Cambodia. As our Prime Minister Shanana Guzmão is the founder, is the liberator and the founder of modern Timor-Leste. You both have extraordinary similarities. The same with Mr. Shanana Guzmão. He guided our people through war, suffering, trauma, to independence and to the relative progress that Your Excellency has witnessed. So we know each other for many years already, myself and Prime Minister Shanana Guzmão. We consider you to be a friend, a best friend of Timor-Leste. I hope we can expand, increase the bilateral relations into economics, into trade, into investment. We count on you, dear friend Hun Sen, to assist us in our development efforts. I thank you.
Following the closed-door meeting between the Cambodian President His Excellency Hun Sen and with the President of the Republic, José Ramos Horta. They shared with the press their highlights, stating firstly from His Excellency Hun Sen, saying that with the GDP and human resources from Timor Leste, we own to become the ASEAN full to earn the ASEAN full membership. And also and he hopes that with the strong support of other ASEAN member states, we are able to be a part of a full member of ASEAN. And he shared also the in-depth discussion about the bilateral relations between Cambodia and Timor-Leste. And also they were satisfied with the bilateral relations, which was rooted in trust and friendship, as well as they envisioned discussions, regional and international issues, as well as he gave also the warmest greetings from the King of Cambodia to the President of the Republic, José Ramos Horta, and also conveyed an invitation to pay an official visit to Cambodia. That is all for now. Thank you for watching.